Good morning, this is Andrew from Trend Following Mentor. And in this short video, I'm going to discuss how to basically put the pieces of the puzzle together, combining fundamental ideas and technical ideas and trend following ideas all in one. And this is an example. It's not meant as a trade recommendation whatsoever. It's educational only, and be responsible for your own trades. Basically, what I always do is I look at the market first. Where are we? I have a special indicator that I built in Metastock. And if you use Metastock, I'll gladly give it to you, because Metastock is a great product. I've been using it since 1994. But basically, when I'm on this one here, I should be involved in the market. And it's based on several principles, based on moving averages. I can show it to you, actually. Let's see. Very simple. I look for the 10-period exponential to be above the 30 and above the 200. And I want to make sure that we've increased from the lowest low over the last 100 days, at least 3.5%, which is based on Marty Zweig's work and Ned Davis' work with their 4% rule, which has returned something like 14% over the last maybe 40 years. So it keeps me out of big trouble and lets me stay involved in the market when the market is healthy. And right now, you can see we're above. So if I look at yesterday, we could be in the market, depending on your own personal preferences. Actually, a lot of times stocks, they're right in front of our noses. It's like the Peter Lynch principle. You open any newspaper, everyone's talking about cybersecurity and breaches. Target was breached. And there's a company that I became aware of. It's called LifeLock. You can see it here. And what's interesting, any way you look at it, it broke out. And this is what the whole idea of trend following is. Buying the highest high over the X period, whichever X period you decide. I bought this stock. But what I'm doing is I'm combining several interesting things. It broke out. It broke out on high volume. You can see the difference in volume here. It's tremendous. 4,700,000 shares. Then the next day was, again, another, let's see how many it is. 3.6 million. Everybody's worried about losing their identity and getting hacked. So this was something that sparked my interest. I was in another stock called Palo Alto, which is here. So I was aware of these kind of situations just from being aware in the newspapers. And this was a stock I was recently in and actually got out of. Whoops, let me fix it. Had a nice run, a really nice run. And what's really cool with Metastock is you can change things really easily depending on what you're doing. I'd left this from a mutual fund that I was looking at. But here it is. You can see this amazing run. And I recently exited the trade. They do also this cybersecurity. But what you do, or what I do, is I also you look at the financial statements. I want to look at the current earnings. I want to see that they're increasing. You can see that their revenue is increasing. You can see it. Really, I mean, it's like almost doubling. It's shocking. You look at the current earnings. You look at the annual earnings, the quarterly earnings, what I mean. You look at their rate of return on investment. This stock is standing out. So it's ringing a bell of what's happening. But there's a negative. Going back to the index themselves, let's say the QQQs, if we want, we'll just do it again. There was distribution. You have 7 distribution days, which is a red flag. Distribution is when the market is going down. Let's throw the volume in here too. It's going a little slow. Well, we just throw volume here. 1 second. The market is going down. It's been going down. We've had all these distribution days prior to here, and they haven't gone away. We have 7 of them currently. It's a negative for the market. You want to buy the best stocks in the strongest sectors when the market is healthy. Right now, the market is a little bit iffy. But you take it day by day and use common sense. I mean, how many people use Netflix? How many people eat at Chipotlita? How many people wear Under Armour? These things are all around us. But you combine the technicals based on breakouts, which you can actually see here simply. And you also combine the fundamentals. And if there's any way I can help you, this is what I do. I trade for a living. I've been trading since 1994. I have several books. I do hourly consulting. And it's not about finding this magical indicator. It's putting it all together, knowing what stocks to buy, how much to buy, when to get out with a loss, when to get out with a profit. I also do on-site visits, mainly for institutions. Charge $5,000 for a week. I also have a home study course, it's $100. But really my goal is trying to help you become a better trader. And let me tell you, it is not easy. And this is not a get-rich-quick. You have to work, and work hard. Again, this is Andrew from Trend Following Mentor. If I can help you in any way, just let me know. Thank you very much.